This wonderful quiche has a cheesy hash brown crust. It's gluten-free and can be made dairy-free. Shredded hash browns, grated cheese, and salt and pepper are all you need for the crust. You'll need to thaw the hash browns completely. I place mine in the refrigerator and leave it about a day and a half. Then squeeze the liquid from the potatoes transferring them to a mixing bowl. Discard the liquid you've squeezed from the potatoes. Then add the cheese, salt and pepper to the potatoes and mix well. Line a springform pan with foil, making sure that there's no holes in the foil and that you bring the foil up as high as you can around the sides. Then spray generously with baking spray. Add your hash brown mixture to the pan and press it against the sides and bottom of the pan in an even thickness. Make sure there are no holes. You don't want your quiche filling to run out. Then place your crust in the freezer for at least an hour or overnight. Your crust can be made ahead of time, even up to a couple of days. For the quiche filling, you'll want to be sure and have 7 eggs, a cup of shredded cheese, and a 1/4 cup of cream or milk. But your other ingredients can vary. When your crust is thoroughly frozen and you're ready to bake your quiche, place an oven rack on the second to lowest position and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Once your oven has reached 450 degrees, place the frozen crust on the second to lowest rack and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. While your crust is baking, you can prepare your filling. I'm going to use a pair of kitchen shears to chop my frozen bacon and get it nice and crisp. If you're using spinach, be sure you're using fresh, not frozen. Then add your eggs and your milk or cream to a mixing bowl. Start your mixer on low speed, and after a minute or two, increase it to medium speed. I'm going to beat my eggs and cream the entire 15 to 20 minutes my crust is baking in the oven. Your eggs will turn a lighter color and be nice and fluffy. Then add your remaining filling ingredients. I'm only going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper since my quiche includes bacon. Dry or fresh herbs are another wonderful option. Fold your filling ingredients together. Remove the crust from the oven after 15 to 20 minutes of baking. Pour in your filling. Reduce the temperature to 375 degrees and bake your quiche about 30 minutes or until your quiche is set. Once your quiche comes out of the oven, remove the outer ring of the springform pan as well as the bottom of the pan to help it cool. Thank you for watching. Please share my channel with others who might need help with the gluten-free diet. And please hit the cupcake to subscribe.